This is how you can submit a PO request or change in the Cat Rental Store customer portal. First thing you want to do is make sure you're in your rentals dashboard, or you can also do it from your contracts dashboard. But you're going to find the equipment that you would like to change your PO number. You're going to click in this edit button right here and just update your PO to the new desired number of your choice. Once ready, just hit submit, and as you can see, all equipment associated to this contract will have the PO numbers changed, and the dealer will get a notification to make sure they process that and update their records for you. That's all you need to do to change POs. You can also do the same thing by clicking on contracts, finding a contract that you would like to change your PO to, and just update the PO through here. And that's how you submit a PO change to the dealer.